All right, parents, today is October 6th and we are rolling. We are getting things moving here. So today the math activity was on height. And this was your task to do at home with your students. And thank you, Chelsea, for completing. Thank you, Monse, for completing. Thank you, Aubrey, for completing. Thank you, Diego. And thank you, Jaden. Thank you, Isabel, and thank you, Lisette. Parents, if you still haven't completed this assignment, go on the hub and complete the task. And the homework was to compare the height and length, and this is also on the hub. So please check back and look at that. I also put for the alphabet letters, we are going to be testing the students pretty soon. So we need to test this, and there's a video on the hub on how to do that. Today I put the test for the colors and the shapes. So you're going to use your folder and check the shapes. Once you got this done, take a picture and send it to me via the hub. And remember, parents, when you go to the hub, these courses, if you can see them, they're extra. If you want to work with them, that's fine. But we are only working with pre-K superheroes. I personally like to go to plans because it is here that I can see what we have going on, such as routine-wise. So for the assessment, for those letters that I'm talking about, go to assessments, exámenes. And right here, you're going to have what letter do you know, which letter do you know, and the shapes and colors, what shapes and colors. So for the letters, let me filter by, I think it's gonna be on the other one. So with the letters, make sure that you are taking care of that, parents. And at first, I had it here. Which letters do you know? So Aubrey, thank you for submitting that. Abigail, Lisette, Diego, Jaden. So these are the few that have submitted that letters. Make sure that you do submit this because this is going to be part of the test. And we want to make sure that we know what your child knows so we can work with that. So that's for the letters. And for the shapes and colors, assessments, you're going to go to October 6th, shapes and colors. What shapes do you know? And here you go. Okay, so you're going to go to that YouTube video so you can see the instructions. Here is an example of it. So see, I took the picture and then I send it off. So that's what we have going on, parents. Super duper duper important. Next week we're having tests, like I mentioned, and we need to set up a time for us to meet so we can test your students. I have the colors stuff ready, but I don't want to teach red for a whole week or a whole month if your child knows red. I don't want to teach orange for a whole month if the child already knows orange. See? So I want to know the colors, what you know them in English, so we can start working on those and create small groups. We'll create small groups with the letters, and we'll also create small groups with the shapes. So it's super duper duper important that you give me that information. Thank you very much.